Welcome back to another video, guys. On today's video, we're going to begin the process of rebuilding the Camaro. Even though it looks all right there, the only thing you can really see is the mirror is kind of broken. We will be rebuilding it. I'm bringing it to the window shop so they can remove the glass. We have a couple little, got a crack right there, it looks like. Can't really tell, but the body man wants to remove the windshield so that he can check it out. We got a broken window, or broken mirror. We have got some quarter panel damage right here, and broken mirrors again, cracked door, rocker panel's a little damaged, and then the fender. So anyway, let's get rolling. We gotta go to the body shop and to the window shop. Oh, also the hood's kind of crunched, but yeah, let's go. All right, guys, just got to the window shop, and we're about to unload the car. We can hand Austin the camera so you can video it while coming down. You're good? Keep going. That's pretty sick. There she goes. Hell yeah. All right, guys, so we just got the windshield removed on the car, and now we're bringing it to the body shop. Leaving, just got to load it back up. Glass was flying everywhere, but here we go. body shop. Here we go. The whole quarter panel fixed up. The doors all fixed up. It's not painted because paint's expensive right now. It's a little dusty because we're in a body shop. But yeah, got the roof all fixed up. Check it out. No more crack. So here we go. All right, guys, so we just got the car back from the shop. Yes, I'm wearing something else and I'm sweating because it's really hot. It's the next day, but anyway, got the body work done. The car looks really good, actually. And I gotta give a shout out to Mr. Troy. He did amazing. This door was cracked in half. This quarter panel was completely smashed and he got it pulled out. Looks seamless. Can't even tell. That's the same original body panel. Thanks again, Mr. Troy, and pleasure doing business with you. Like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and have a freaking awesome day.